Hello children, let's sing phonic rhyme together. Ants on the apple, ah, ah, ah. Balls are bouncing, ba, ba, ba. Caterpillar crawling, ka, ka, ka. Dolls are dancing, da, da, da. Eggs in an egg cup, eh, eh, eh. Fairies are flying, girls are giggling, ga, ga, ga. Horse on the hilltop, ha, ha, ha. Ink in the ink pot, e, e, e. Jokers are juggling, ja, ja, ja. Kettle in the kitchen, ka, ka, ka. Lamps are lit, la, la, la. Monkeys munching mangoes, Nancy like noodles, Orange are orange, oh, oh, oh. Popcorn popping, pa, pa, pa. Queen on the quilt, qua, qua, qua. Roses are red, r, r, r. Sun is shining, s, s, s. Tree with the trunk, da, da, da. Uncle under umbrella, ah, ah, ah. Vase with violet flowers, wah, wah, wah. What sound? Tick, tick, wah, wah, wah. X for xylophone, x, x, x. I like yellow, yeah, yeah, yeah. Z for zebra, z, z, z. Children, now let's see phonic sound and words start with letter A to Z. A for ambulance, alligator, apple. A says A. B for balloon, bike, butterfly. B says B. C for cake, cap, candle. C says K. D for dolphin, drum, dog. D says D. E for eraser, egg, excavator. E says A. F for flower, feather, fan. F says F. G for gift, garden, guitar. G says G. H for helmet, house, horse. H says H. I for insect, ink pot, igloo. I says J for juice, jam, jar. J says J. K for kayak, key, kiwi. K says K. L for lemon, lock, lollipop. L says L. M for mirror, mushroom, mango. M says N for nest, necklace, nuts. N says N. O for octopus, olives, onion. O says O. P for pan, panda, parrot. P says P. Q for quilt, quail, queen. Q says Qu. R for rose, radish, rabbit. R says R. S for soup, sun, sandwich. S says S. T for torch, tent, toys. T says T. U for umbrella, unicorn, under. U says A. V for vulture, van, vase. V says V. W for wallet, walnut, watermelon. W says W. X for X-ray, Xmas tree. X says X. Y for yo-yo, yacht, yogurt. Y says Y. Z for zebra, zip, zoo. Z says Z. I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.